Really excited for vibe coding to create the next wave of like founders and product ideas. A close friend of mine has no concept of how to code, and I am blown away by what he's created.
It's not perfect, but it's really good and it's getting better really rapidly. And so the hard truth is like we're on the cusp of replacing a certain level of experience of human in these types of tasks. What uncomfortable questions do we have to tackle about the future role of software engineering as this continues to get better? Because if we're not thinking about it now, then yeah, we should be thinking about it.
All of this is being aggressively and obscenely subsidized right now. And at some point, the real cost of this is going to come due for the actual electricity you use to build the model, for the actual water consumption you use to run these things. And I don't think that's cheaper than a human being, especially a junior developer, once the subsidies go away.
I think vibe coding, real quick, is by definition acknowledging that it's irresponsible. But if we expand it to using AI tools, I think the hard truth that we don't want to say out loud is it feels like accountants on the precipice of the spreadsheet being invented and just the need of the quantity of accountants going down after that.
On the topic of vibe coding and the usage of LLMs in software development, I think they're very good and valuable at solving problems that have already been solved. So if you're finding you're writing your entire product with vibe coding, I think that indicates a smell or a problem for your product or business because it's already been commoditized by the usage of these LLM tools. So I acknowledge that while many processes do have common patterns, you should be framing the usage of LLMs around doing the mundane work around the novelty that is your product or business. And thus, I think LLM usage should be framed more like what protein powder is for weightlifting, a great supplement and very helpful for its intended purpose, but probably not your entire diet.